police officer, astronauts, pilots. I think those were the jobs I wanted to do as a child. I could never have imagined that I would be working with lubrication technology today. The joy, the passion, and the dedication were what inspired me to pursue a similar career path to our fathers.
So, ich spüre, das ist fett, das ist zum Schmieren.
This passion is contagious. I think our entire team shares it. It does everyone good and drives us to be successful on our journey. Grateful for what we have achieved together and to stand where we are today. It is exactly this dedication that has made us, ABNOX, over the last 80 years, who we are today. We have world-class products, but it is our family-like atmosphere that sets us apart.